What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's me, your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Prime Support. Shoot another awesome video, cause that's what we do. Man, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You know, Consumer Prime Support, we review appliances. Today, we're gonna focus on a 30-inch wall mount range hood touch controls, Bluetooth connectivity, LED lighting, and fingerprint resistant black stainless steel by Samsung. Alright, so of course this is just the intro portion of the video. We're going to break this video down. We're going to break it down with the functions and features. We're going to talk about the price, how much, talk about parts, and of course how much it's going to cost you. Of course we're going to discuss the warranty as well and give you our overall review to let you know exactly how we feel about this range hood exhaust. Alright, for the product overview, couple things that we can look at right now. It says Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth automatically syncs fan and lights with cooktop burners. Man, that's different right there, so we really like that. Wi-Fi connectivity. It says monitor and control your cooktop from anywhere. Powerful ventilation. 390 CFM. It goes to 390 to about 600 CFM. It says ventilation circulates air to remove odors quickly. Digital touch control, seamless, integrated, and premium design. We talked about the LED lights with the brightness as well. All right, it also has an ADA compliant. The hood was designed for accessibility, making it very easy to control from your smartphone. All right, so of course we're gonna dissect this appliance, man, go into the lab, let you know exactly how we feel about this joint. This is just the intro, and you already know I am. I'm your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Prime Support. You help me, I help you. We both help each other. Till next time, I'm out of here, man. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.
About to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.